So I'm going to be giving you guys a tip on how you can play Fortnite on the Google Pixel tablet. Now, as you know, Fortnite has had legal issues getting delisted off the App and Play Store, but one way you can play this game without having to install or download it is through Xbox Cloud Gaming. Now, basically what Cloud Gaming is a subscription service. They've got Xbox games on here that you can just stream and play. And as long as you have a Fortnite account, you could log in and you're good to go. Now, I'm going to load it up here to show you guys that this is obviously working. The thing here is Xbox Cloud Gaming is a paid subscription. It's like $14.99 a month. They've got a 7-day free trial. But the thing is, if you don't like it, if you don't like the subscription, you could just always cancel it on that 7-day free trial. But to be honest with you guys, I play so many different games on here. I've been subscribed to it for probably a year at least. But they've got Doom on here, Killer Instinct, GoldenEye from back in the day, Mortal Kombat 11. I mean, there's so many cool games that you could play on here. So it's not just, for Fortnite, you could stream all these. And like I said, this is streaming, so you're not actually downloading these games. Anyways, if you want to learn more about cloud gaming, or get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff. We'll have some links below in the description. As always, guys, thanks for watching this one, and we will see y'all in the next video.